Hey YouTube, how you going? Welcome to another video. In the previous video, we got our new project working with our submodule Auth-backend, basically having to redo what AI told us to undo. And as part of that project, if we look at some of these files, for example, where we require Mongoose, we now have this kind of variable path to shared Mongoose connection, which obviously sits in our new knowledge bank project here. So as I was thinking about this, one of the things that I want to do is propagate the changes that we had to make in our auth backend to fix our login and authorization functionality back down to the submodule, so that when we need to use this auth backend in another project, it's up to date. But then when I thought about it, I was like, well, this path, is going to change, and when I use auth backend as a new submodule in a new project, this file isn't going to exist. So what I thought about was, is there a way of creating like a variable path that first of all determines if there's a shared Mongoose connection to leverage, and I just asked AI to do that for me using ChatGPT. So what we're going to do is in auth backend, we're going to create this Mongoose loader, and then we're going to basically leverage this functionality. And as you can see, first of all, it checks if there's a shared Mongoose connection. If there is, it uses that shared Mongoose connection. If not, it has a fallback to just import and require Mongoose normally. And then what we can do is we can go through all of our files where we're using that Mongoose import and change it to this Mongoose loader. So that's what we're going to tackle in this video, and we will start off by adding this file. Now they do have it just in the root directory. I guess that kind of makes sense because it's not really a util, it's kind of like an import. It's kind of like I guess similar to our database connection, which obviously we've commented out because we're not using anymore. So let's just create it here, and we'll call this mongoose-loader.js, and in this file we'll copy and paste what ChatGPT gave us. So let's just double check. We would come up one folder, and then we would go into shared, and then we have mongoose connection.js. So that is all correct. Okay, good. All those red lines disappeared. Then what we need to do is we need to go into wherever we required Mongoose. So that requires us going through all of our folders again. It should hopefully just be the ones that are in yellow because that's where we've made changes. So let's just quickly do that. Save. Login. Save. Validation chains. Save. Is crashing on us? Of course it is, because Mongoose loader is not just, it's going to be up 1, up 2, up 3. Should have thought of that before I started writing all this code, or cut and pasting this code. So this is up 1, up 2, up 3. So these are all going to be the same, so copy. None in there, none in there. Now login is going to be up 1, up 2. Copy that. Mongoose is not there. Mongoose. Check how we're going here. Okay. Nothing there. Mongoose, nothing there. Save. This is up. It should only be up 2 as well. Up register in components, yep. Middleware tests. So this is going to be up 1, up 2. Yeah, it's still up 2. Auth is going to be up 1, but it's not needed. Error middleware. Hang on. Yeah, middleware is just up 1. IP detection should also just be up 1. It's not actually used though. Don't know why it's there. Models. So model tests going to be up 1, up 2. Okay, and then this is just going to be up 1. Why has it done that? No, just later. Copy. Right, up 1. 1. Right, routes, index.js, we shouldn't be using it there. Tests, Mongoose, save, utils, so util tests. Health check's still not working, obviously. Mongoose, so this will be up 1. Logger, not used. App, no import. DB, just going to be Mongoose loader, that's what we've done. Server. Okay, fantastic. So let's just double check that log in a user, check it all works, send. IP issue probably. Where's the link? Out there. Okay. It's so annoying how MongoDB does this. Log in. Add current IP address. While I've done that, I have noticed, so in server, start server, yeah, we don't have that, so it's fine. Okay, login. Fantastic. We'll take our token. Come here to post a note, body, headers. I know we can automate this. I still got to do that. I think everything needs slightly different title. Oh, hang on, not there, body. Everything needs slightly different title. Let's just do this. Send. All right, and it's still working successfully, so that's fantastic. Now, what I do want to check is in DB. So if we uncomment that out, and then this was originally that, and then in server, if we comment out this, Save. Okay, it still works. So, now what I want to do let me just ask ChatGPT this. Okay, great. That works. Now, in Auth-backend, I have actually, I noticed a spelling mistake. Let me just double check. Source. Yeah, source. Now in Auth-backend, I have a file called db.js, which is below. I then call this file in my server.js. In the parent project, knowledge bank, and we make sure I'm just wondering, yeah, if there's some other code we should do. Yeah, that's basically what I want to make sure we do. Okay. Prefer to separate. All right, let's do this approach. So db.js. Hang on, connect to DB. So I'm just looking at Mongoose loader. If that, try that. In your updated DB. missing here? There's no Mongoose connect. And in the Mongoose loader, there's no connect. Huh. Initialize. Ah, I was looking at the wrong. I was looking at the wrong file. Okay. Yeah, but that shared. Might be overthinking a little bit. Yeah, that's what I want. All right. Yeah. So in db.js. No. 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 So we should use mongoose .loader to initialize to check if there is mongoose connection or no shared. There is no. So I think it's getting a little bit confused because yeah, it's trying to call initialize mongoose, but that's reliant on our shared Mongoose functionality, which is only going to be in the parent project. But what I want it to do is go, if there is no parent project, obviously don't use Mongoose, which we've already established, but ensure we still connect to just the Mongoose MongoDB database that we want to. All right, so let's have a look at this. We bring in shared Mongoose. Let me actually bring up what we've currently got, so db.js. Connect to DB. If there's already one, just return Mongoose, do nothing. If no active connection, yep, mongoose.connect. Okay, that's what I'm after. That should stay the same. Okay. Okay, I think this should work. Let's copy this. Oh, not that, sorry. Copy this, place db.js with that, save that. Everything still looks like it operates. We will re-log in, even though we're already logged in, but let's just do that. Okay, that worked. Let's copy this token, copy, come back to post for the note, come over here, paste that in. We need to change the source because only one source can exist in the body. What am I doing? Just add some, send, no created. All right, fantastic. That all worked as expected. Now, the other thing that we want to do is I want to now commit the changes from the submodule. Don't know why that crashed. That we've made to our submodule, which now include this Mongoose loader, obviously the changes to the DB file and all of the imports, and push that back down. So my understanding, I've never done this before, we need to go into auth. Actually, what we would do, sorry, before we do this, I got the instructions from the other day. We should get submodule status. So if we go git submodule status, let's just copy this for a second. I'll just put that there because we obviously want to see that change. So anyway, so cd auth-backend. Right, and then what we should do is git add git commit dash m made changes okay, and then we should go git push origin main. Just going to open up GitHub, see if we saw that change come through. Just, yep, we did. So then if we update the parent, all right, so cd back into our parent project, git add path to submodule. Does that need to? Okay, sorry, so git add. I didn't think that was oh. Then if we run git submodule has that number changed? So yes, it has. Awesome. So we're now using the latest version of our auth backend. We push those changes back to the submodule, and we've still then got our parent project, which we haven't committed to GitHub yet. Maybe that's a good time to do that, but we might cover that in the next video when we start off looking at the next bit of functionality. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.